Alright you guys, so Mom and I are at Lowe's, and if you guys have been following the vlog, our dryer broke a while ago, got it fixed, broke again. We recently got a new dryer last week, does not work. We got a washer and a dryer. They were supposed to come today to fix it, they're not coming. And then they said they couldn't come again until Monday, and it's like, no, we can't. So we're here at Lowe's to return the washer and the dryer, and I think afterwards we're gonna go to Best Buy or something to buy them, where we should have gone before. But I'll update you guys again in a second. We're gonna go inside. Alright you guys, we just left. We had to schedule a pickup before we can do the return, so they're coming on Saturday, hopefully, to pick it up. And right now we're heading over to Best Buy to see if we can find a new washer and dryer there, and then have them delivered on Monday. We haven't had a dryer and washer for the longest time. Right you guys, we just got to Best Buy. Love Best Buy. I used to work for Best Buy, so the reason we didn't go for Best Buy the first time was because they didn't have the size washing machine that Mom wanted, but now we're back. We're looking at the washers and dryers. Mom doesn't seem to like any of them, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Samsung, this is 4.5, that's small. You said you wanted more than that. What's this one over here? This one's nice. I'm too busy looking at the refrigerators now. I really like this KitchenAid one. I love the interior. It's so fancy. Wow. This is my favorite one. Alright you guys, we just left. Really excited. They're coming on Tuesday. So, yay, now time to go home. Alright you guys, we just got home and I wanted to show you what they've done so far, which is this. There's gonna be like a walkway that goes to the back, and then either side is gonna be planters on both sides. Like halfway. Alright you guys, I'm heading over to the post office. I have quite a lot of packages and I'm really excited to bring them out to you guys. Then afterwards, we're gonna head up to the Goodwill really quick too. Alright you guys, we just got to the Goodwill. Let's go inside and check it out. So I just found this Bath & Body Works candle. It smells so good. I'm really excited. It's only $3.99. Definitely gonna get it. This Ed Hardy hat is $2.99. It looks a little intense. I don't know about that. This Vans hat. These Jordans are actually really nice. $8.99. Will they fit me? Size 8. They might fit my dad. I don't think he's gonna wear red Jordans though. What are these? Can't read the label. They're not that great. These are pretty cool though, along with the candle. Alright you guys, check out this Coach bag. It's in pretty good condition. The leather just needs a little cleaning up, maybe a quick re-dye, but the pattern is in good condition, the blue part's in good condition, the fabric is good. There's a little bit of dirt and staining in there, but I think I can get it out. It's only $14.99. And now I'm looking over here. I don't know what this is, but it's really, really cool. I kind of like it. And then there's these really heavy copper masks, or copper brass, solid brass made in India. They're kind of scary and kind of haunted, and I can't believe I touched them, but they're pretty cool. And then there's this really nice turned wood like candle pillar holder, $4.99. Not bad. I see a couple more over there too. Someone left their Starbucks. There's this thing that I don't want to touch because it also looks very haunted. And oh, this thing weighs it. I accidentally hit the off button because these things are so heavy and I almost dropped it. There's also this cool looking one, $4.99. Ooh, pineapple turret. Tarnish resistant. Cool. This is kind of cute. Little sticky. Is that Katy Perry? Katy Perry is in there. I just found this threshold canister. It's only $2.99 and it looks pretty brand new. I've never seen any like new threshold pieces in this Goodwill. It's not part of the OC Goodwill, so they don't get like the brand new stuff from Target, but I feel like once in a while here I'll see some Target stuff that's in good condition. Hey guys, I just got the candle because that Coach bag had like coffee stains inside and those are impossible to get out, so just this. Let's go home. Almost forgot to go to the post office, but we're here, so let's go drop off the mail. Okay guys, so I'm currently in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru and I am waiting. I've been waiting for like maybe 10 or 15 minutes because I don't want to get out of the car, and I've just been wanting one of their like ice cream cone things. They're so delicious and I was craving one, and now I've been stuck waiting in this intensely long line, but I didn't want to go out because I think there was like a long line inside and it's really hot and I'm lazy and I wanted to stay inside the air-conditioned car. So, oh, we're moving. Okay, I'm really excited. Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday, August 5th? June, July, August 5th. And they are, hello! What are they doing, Zach? Tell everyone what they're doing.
They're building the pool.
Wow!
And they're not done.
They're doing the coping for the pool.
And then they're gonna do the pool house, and then we could jump in.
Oh, wow. Then you're gonna jump. What about the water? You need water in the pool first?
Yeah, you need water.
Okay, so they're gonna do the tile and then put water?
Yeah.
Wow, you guys are so knowledgeable about pools.
Because I watched the Pool King.
You watched the Pool Kings?
Why did see them do the same thing as what they do here?
Yeah, it's like Pool Kings, right?
Is it like Pool Kings?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, they're right there. Zach, look at, he's pouring it right there, look. Wow, you see that? Are you gonna learn how to build pools too?
Nope.
No.
Because I'm not a worker.
You're not a worker?
I want to build a pool.
Do you want to be a pool king, Cade?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cade's gonna be a pool
Is it gonna
king.
be hard?
Not if you know how to do it. It's just hard work. I'm gonna take you guys to see the stone up in the front. So let's go see it. Ooh, well, that's a giant bug. Oh, that looks good. I like that. It looks perfect.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Whoa.
We set him on prefab slab if he doesn't want to put the pavers down. Oh, I got the tile.
Alright, guys, just got a few packages to mail out. They're still working out in the front. Alright, you guys just got to the post office. Alright, you guys just got to the Goodwill. Let's see what we can find. These little mermaid fans are so cute. They're $10. I just found this Audrey Brooke satchel. It's really cute. The color is adorable. And I think the price is in this zipper right here. $5.99 is not bad, but I mean, it's so stained you'd have to re-dye like the whole thing, or I don't know, can I color match this? It might be a little bit of a mission to try and do it, but the color is really, really pretty and I like the shape, and it has a crossbody strap, so I might hold on to it. You guys, I just found the most amazing vintage typewriter. It weighs 80 pounds and it's only $8.99, and I'm totally getting it. It's so cool. $8.99 Underwood. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And a gold skull? Hot dog. I wanted a gold skull forever. $3.99. Okay, I'm like really excited right now. So, oh, horns. Oh, wow. Are these real? These are kind of legit, you guys. This is only $4.99. I feel like they are real horns. Yeah, they're totally real. I want these, I think. Check it out, you guys. This is the typewriter that I found. And they're all like hundreds of dollars. Except for this one, which is $38. But it was only $8.99. How crazy is that? And it still works. I'm so excited. Never mind, it's literally a poster that was $38. So we're still like in the clear. It's expensive. Okay, so I left my wallet at home inside my bag, so I have to go home and get it. I can't believe I left the house without it. I never do this. I'm a hot mess, but let's go home and get my wallet and then come back because I need that typewriter. I was playing with my bag last night and I put my wallet in here. There it is. I'm back at the Goodwill. Really excited. I want that typewriter really badly. So here I am. Luckily the lady was really nice that was helping me. She's like, I'll hold it for you. So it's only been a few minutes, so it should still be there. I found the most interesting looking chair. Do you put your clothes on here too? Like, what is this? Alright guys, I just got my typewriter in my bag and the skull and the horn. So I'm really, really excited. This is a good day. Now I'm gonna go to the grocery store. John's already claimed the typewriter and he's cleaning it. Beautiful. Hey, that's already a lot better.
Not really.
Yeah, did you remember how it was like super dusty? Just dusting it a little bit helped a lot. Of course, I have to check out the like furniture, home decor stuff. I actually have this pillow, except some of my pom-poms are missing. Originally $25. It's only $2 off. I feel like that's not too much of a discount. But I'm checking out. Oh, these are fun. The rest of this. Oh, genuine stone. I really want like a